Create divider lines in Microsoft Word. Step-by-step guide. Note, if you need Microsoft Word help, dial our helpline for professional assistance. 1-800-213-6058. Introduction. Divider lines can significantly enhance the look of your documents, making sections stand out clearly. In this tutorial, we'll show you several methods to create professional divider lines in Microsoft Word. Method 1. Using keyboard shortcuts. 1. Type 3 dashes, dash, and press Enter. This creates a basic divider line. 2. You can also use 3 asterisks, or 3 underscores, underscore, for different styles of lines. Each shortcut produces a unique divider line. Experiment with each. Note, for advanced customization, get in touch with our Microsoft Word helpline for professional advice. Method 2. Using shapes. 1. Go to the Insert tab in the ribbon. 2. Click Shapes and select the Line tool. 3. Draw your line by clicking and dragging in your document. 3. Customize the line thickness, color, and style by selecting the line and navigating to the Format tab. Note, for detailed guidance on shapes and formatting, call our Microsoft helpline for support. Method 3. Using borders. 1. Highlight the text where you want the divider line. 2. Navigate to the Home tab, then click the Borders button in the paragraph group. 3. From the drop-down, choose Bottom Border to create a simple horizontal line below your text. 4. You can adjust the thickness and style in the border settings. Method 4. Custom divider with symbols. 1. Go to the Insert tab and click on Symbols. 2. Choose a suitable symbol like a bullet, dash, or special character. 3. Insert multiple symbols to create a customized divider line. 4. You can experiment with different symbols for creative dividers. Note, for creative suggestions and tips, feel free to call our helpline for professional help. Summary. These simple methods allow you to create attractive divider lines in your Word documents, enhancing readability and organization. Use the approach that best fits your document style. Call to action. If you want more personalized help with Microsoft Word, don't hesitate to reach out to our professional team. Dial our Microsoft helpline number, 1-800-213-6058. At best fits your document style. Contact us. Struggling with Microsoft Word? Our support team is available 24/7. Call our helpline for immediate assistance, 1-800-213-6058. Thank you.